A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Dear children, we were studying your chapter number 1, that is categories of computer and computer languages. Today we are going to move to part 4 of this chapter. In the last lecture we have studied about the classification of software. There was system software, utility software and application software. I hope you have done your homework as well. Today we are going to study in detail about the system software. Now, what is a system software? It refers to a program designed to control the operation of the computer system. That means whatever the work a computer is doing, it is designed, the system software is designed to control it. Okay, whatever the work is being done by the computer, a system software is there to control the work of a computer. Is it clear? These programs assist in running application programs. System software can be classified into. Now again there was some classification of the system software. There were operating system, device drivers and language translators. Dear children, as you all know that MS Windows 10, Microsoft Windows 10 which we are using currently, it is also a type of an operating system. Yes, dear children. So, as you all know that MS Windows 10 was been there in our computer. Okay, now we are having them in our computers. So, they control the work of a computer. Okay, they manage the work. Operating system, it is a master control program that runs the computer. Yes, it works the computer and it runs as well. It controls the flow of signals from the central processing unit to the various parts of a computer. As operating system controls a computer, so it will send the signal to the CPU as well as to the various parts of the computer so that the work can be done. Clear? When the computer is switched off, the operating system is the first program that gets loaded in its memory. Some popular operating systems are Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. You have to learn the types of the operating system. I know you have understood the meaning, okay? You have to understand the meaning, then you have to learn the examples that are Windows, Linux, Unix and Mac OS. And one more thing you have to learn. It is a master control program that runs the computer. Operating system is a master control program जो क्या करता है हमारे कंप्यूटर को रन करता है dear children. Is it clear? Next, device drivers. Now what are device drivers? A driver is a computer program that enables a computer to interact with the hardware such as printer or pen drive. Again, it is a computer program जो एक लिंक है हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम में और हार्डवेयर से. Okay, the computer, it is a link between the computer system and the hardware devices such as printer or pen drive. What are device drivers? It is a link between the computer system and the hardware devices. Is it clear? Next, language translators are programs that transfer the computer language into a machine language program. The computer language program is called a source code, whereas a machine language program is called the object code. Now dear children, language translators are basically the program that translate the computer language, okay, the language which we put into the machine language so that we can get the desired output. Understood? The computer language which we put, which the instructions which we give to the computer, and it then translate it into a machine language so that after that we can get the output. Now here the computer language program is being referred to to source code. The source code, okay, is being referred to source code, whereas machine language program is being referred to the object code. Is it clear, dear children? Next, utility software. Now, what is a utility software? It is a program designed to do maintenance work on the system or on system components. Now, this program is done so that we can do any maintenance on the computer, like if there is some harm to our computer, or if there is any other, like we can say our computer has been hacked. Okay, so if any other harm is there, or our files are being deleted, or we are not having any backups of the file, so this utility software is there for the maintenance of the computer programs. Okay, in the utility software you are having antivirus backup. Now, what is antivirus? This software detects and removes harmful programs from the computer, that is malicious, that is a harmful program. Dear children, in our phones also sometimes we are having that clean up storage, then any virus is there or any something is there, we have seen in our smartphones also. Okay, so that same antivirus is also there in our computers. So to remove any virus, this utility softwares are being used. And there is a type of the antivirus that names you are having here. For example, MCAFEE, Quick Heal, Norton, etc. You have to learn the examples of antivirus. What are the examples? Here they are given to you. You have to learn them. Backup. Now, we have like seen nowadays, like कुछ भी हम लोग store करते हैं, okay, in our computers or in our mobile phones, we took a backup also. we हम लोग एक backup रखते हैं हमारी pen drive में और हमारी hard disk में कि in case हमारे ये जो important files हैं वो delete नहीं हो. So that is a whole work being done by the utility software. It is a process of recovering data in case of damage or accidental loss. Occasionally, hard disk may fail, resulting in the loss of the file stored in it. कभी कभार hard disk भी fail हो जाती है. Hence, an intelligent user keeps his file on the backup storage device so that the original files can be restored at the time of such failures. Whenever we change our new phone, okay, हम लोग old phone में new phone में जाते हैं. So what we do? We take a backup. Yes. उसमें आपके फ़ोन में होता है बैकअप ऑफ ऑल द व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस चैट. इट इज सेम इन द कंप्यूटर. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ हियर आर द सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द बैकअप. CD, फ्लैश ड्राइव एक्सेट्रा. आप बैकअप किस में ले सकते हो? आप CD में भी ले सकते हो. एक फ्लैश ड्राइव, दैट इज अ पेन ड्राइव यू कैन से. नेक्स्ट, compression. It is a process that shrinks the file so that less disk space is occupied. Means now when we are having large files, okay, the space, it is occupying the large space. So we use this software, we use the program, that is compression. These files cannot be read directly and must be decompressed from the actual form before use. That means when there are some large files and after in the program we are compressing it. कंप्रेस होने के बाद जब हम उनको नेक्स्ट टाइम हमको यूज़ करना हो, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, अगेन वी हैव टू डीकम्प्रेस देम, देन वी कैन यूज दैट फाइल्स. सो बेसिकली दिस प्रोग्राम इज़ ओनली यूज सो दैट कि हम लोग हमारे कंप्यूटर में थोड़ी सी स्पेस ज़्यादा रख सके और हमारी फाइल्स जो हैं कंप्यूटर में स्टोर्ड हैं वो ज़्यादा स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई नहीं करें. फॉर दैट पर्पज वी यूज़ द प्रोग्राम कंप्रेशन. एग्जाम्पल्स WinZip, PKZip, 7-zip, WinRAR, etc. These all are the examples which you have to learn. Disk fragmentation. Sometimes the operating system stores the large files as fragments as different places on hard disk. Now sometimes our computer program what it does that when we are having the large files तो वो उसके कुछ टुकड़ों में, that is the fragments we can say, वो उसके कुछ टुकड़ों में स्टोर करता है हमारी हार्ड डिस्क में. ओके whenever we are having the large file तो उसके वो चिल्ड्रन वो उसके छोटे छोटे पीसेस करके हमारी हार्ड डिस्क में स्टोर्ड होते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ अ डिस्क फ्रैगमेंटर? अ डिस्क फ्रैगमेंटर स्कैन्स द हार्ड डिस्क फॉर फ्रेगमेंटेड फाइल्स एंड स्टोर्स देम एट वन प्लेस. वो उन फाइल्स को एक ही जगह पे स्टोर करता है so that we can use them very easily, we can read them very easily those files. Dear children, I hope you are clear with this part. Let's see a small worksheet based on this video lesson. So dear children, here's your worksheet based on chapter 1 part 4. This worksheet you have to solve in your computer notebook. Now the first one. Dash software refers to a program designed to control the operation of a computer system. That controls the operation, that was system software. Dash is a type of a system software. Options are given to you. A dash is a computer program that enables a computer to interact with a hardware device such as printer or pen drive. A dash is a program designed to do maintenance work on the system or on system components. Dash is an example of antivirus, dash is an example of backup, and dash is an example of compression. Dear children, I hope you are very much clear with this part. We will meet next time with something more interesting in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.